Hello, everybody. Joey back here again with you. Another week, another video. Things are going well here. I've got my water here in a Gatorade Zero bottle. Um, been having a lot of acid reflux the past couple of days, so trying to ease it on the coffee a little bit and drink some water. I do have a Propel flavor packet in here, so I do that. But you didn't come to see me drink. Um, Things are going well. We had a blizzard this past week, and if you follow me on social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and TikTok now, all of them at the Joey Harris, you saw some pictures of the blizzard. Got about 18 inches or so, but it wasn't bad. That thin, powdery snow, very dry, and the wind was going through, so it that we had to dig out of snowdrift on Sunday to get our vehicles out, but other than that, it was fine. I've been thinking this week and focusing this week on gratitude and being grateful for things because I feel that if you are a believer, God won't give you more if you're not thankful for what you currently have. And so I've been focusing on that gratitude, thankful that even though sometimes you feel that the space that you're in is too small, too confining, being thankful that you've got a space to go to when you get overwhelmed with work, thankful that you have a job, thankful that I'm able to pay my bills, thankful that I'm able to do what the things that I enjoy, thankful that I have a roof over my head, I have food, I'm able to work on myself and improving myself and just being thankful and being grateful for all of that. Um, Even being able to deal with heartburn. So taking that attitude of gratitude to, I mean, it's a cliched phrase, but to me, it's true. Just take a moment and say thank you. If I'm thankful for what I have, then He'll allow more for that. Um, thank you so much for your continued support, for everything that is happening to me. It's just been astounding. Um, I'm just, I'm so grateful and so thankful for that, and just looking forward to great things as we go forward in 2022. And do you say 2022? I have been doing that, whatever the year was, since probably about 2013. I still hear people like 2012, 2013, 2020, 2021, 2022, you know, but no, I say 2022. And then I have to make sure that I'm saying it's the year 2022. I'm not saying 2020 as well. Don't want another 2020. I don't think anybody wants that. But looking forward to great things for 2022. I'm rambling here, so I'm going to stop. Um, Thank you again. Share, like, subscribe, and comment. If you have anything you want to ask me or curious about anything, I'd be glad to answer it. Quick update on my weight loss, officially down 120 pounds in 13 months. Broke through a little um, stall that I had been having, so thankful for that. Go out, make it a great day.